Today na Friday. So I bring una some latest information confirming which way I be post 2 weeks ago about Eric Tano Tataw contributed. So I bring una confirmation say Eric Tano he actually be arrested, it dey in custody, and una fit see the information way it dey on the screen right now. Now the 3 charges in that way they charge you. Charge number 1, attempted second-degree rape. Charge number 2, assault second degree. And charge number 3, false imprisonment. And the incident it happened on the 11th of May 2025, less than 1 month ago. The arrestee on the 14th of May 2025 I bring una evidence with information, everything what they provide for una. Eric Tataw himself be born on the 14th of June 1986. So for this June, Eric Tataw it could be 39 years old, if my arithmetic it be correct. So now the situation that bear for una for Siam, I know they ever do propaganda. Countryman, it bring una information with facts and evidence for present them to una, so that una go examine them for ourselves, so that una go fit check them for ourselves. So if una pay attention to the screen, I don't share for una one of my screens. So una go see now the Maryland Judiciary case search. If una go for this website, una go fit type, go for not search by case. So if you go for case, you could need to enter case number. No search by case. When I see for down here, search by party, okay? Search by person. You type your first name na Eric, your surname Tataw, and click search. So, see for there, it get 20 items to be found for Eric Tataw, your name alone. 20. As na fit see for there. 20 items. They display for Eric Tataw in name. See now details and that today. Now see so if you scroll down, you can see now you get the case number them, Eric Tataw, and then your date of birth, the born for June 1986. Okay. In all of these cases, then it being at the defendant, where it means na ye, they take and go court. I wanna see the details them. When I see the cases, then way they don't already close, and that one be closed. But the one the way they still be open, like this one. Now the one that way you want to pay attention to, because that one still be open, that one be open, okay, and that one be open, and this one be open, okay. Now this one way it be important. Now another case this against you. When the state of Maryland it bring up for you this case, now the one we end in 928. So if we now go for here, when I go see this case where it end in 928. Now this particular one where they file on the 20th of May 2025. So if we now examine that case, now so the state of Maryland versus Eric Tataw and a criminal case, they file on the 20th of May for National Day for Cameroon. 20th of May 2025, as all man be the celebrate National Day for Cameroon, Eric Tataw ABB served a criminal offense. So now the case number that and the defendant person where they take it go court, now he name that Eric Tataw, now black man, now he height that and all the details, date of birth, your address, and your lawyer. Now your lawyer he address this and the details them, and the plaintiff, the person where now he sue Eric Tataw, now the state of Maryland, and now their attorney or their lawyer that, and the complainant person where he complain, your name na Sillah Fatima. This woman na Sierra Leonean woman, as we go hear the story small time. Now the Jews for the story this. Now this woman, it take Eric Tataw go report him, and then the state of Maryland, they determine say there's probable cause, so they arrest Eric Tataw and they charge you with these 3 counts them. I go read them before I come for this court scheduling. Okay, so the charge number 1, they charge Eric Tataw with attempted second-degree rape, and this one na a felony, where it means say it go prison if they find it guilty for second-degree attempted rape. Okay, charge number 2, Assault second degree. This one now misdemeanor. Where it means say if you go prison a maximum of 1 year. Okay, but usually they go fine you or they go give you community service. Charge number 3, now false imprisonment. This one too now also misdemeanor, and also they get probable cause. And the incident it happened 2025. All of these 3 charges them, all the incidents they happen on the same day. So as I be talk, the woman where a file the complaint against Eric Tataw say it tried for rape, a imprisonee by force. Now Sillah Fatima, when a Sierra Leonean woman from the information we gather, and so this woman a business partner for Eric Tataw. Now something where it go wrong, Eric Tataw surely use the violence for force the woman wholly without the permission, lucky inside house or whatever the situation it be. So the woman it don't file lawsuit, and the state of Maryland it take the case on. So as I be talk, we will look at the court scheduling where the talk say the hearing for the bail bond it be been on the 27th of May 2025, where just passed so at 1 p.m. They don't already enter for they will try for Bailey, so they go a bail bond review for that case on the 27th of May, and they deny for release Eric Tataw on bail. So it don't there for prison for more than 2 weeks today. Okay, and the preliminary hearing it be scheduled for the 20th of June, where it will come in the future. Now the preliminary hearing that for courtroom number 513 for the District Court of Rockville, Montgomery County, the state of Maryland. So now the situation that when I see I bring una evidence, I bring una details with everything we at the talk. So the warrant information, the arrest warrant, it be issued on the 20th of May, and the judge being at Dixon Karina, where and the warrant it be served to you on the 24th of May 2025. My contributor. So the bond setting, they don't hold you without bond, which means say they never allow you for go. So it no day on bail, it day in detention. So the next date, court date, it be set 20th of June 2025. My contributor. So now the details that now the information that for Eric Tataw illegal woes and challenges them. Like I talk, it get plenty other cases. That when I feel say I'm 20 of these cases them. So some of these cases them now civil litigation, some of them now criminal litigation, and this one now domestic violence case is still be active. Okay, this one now from 20th of May 2025, that one is still be active. So if you select on any of the cases them open them, I'm not gonna go through all of them. I will just show you now 1 or 2. Okay, we'll look at this particular case when the case number that it end in 294. This particular case where it end in 294. Now if you see them for here, if you select them, you see and say now on the 14th of May 2025, where the case it will come up, where they will file the case. If you access the case, now the details on this, so it will give you information. Before we talk about this case, make I give you the background story. Eric Tataw, it go, una bear with me 1 second, my contributor. I want to answer some phone call. Hello, I'm live. No, I'm live. Okay. So sorry about that. I get a phone number. So sorry, phone call. So as I be the talk, Eric Tataw get plenty court cases then for America. It go for America just a few years ago, about 8 or 9 years ago. We go for America, and in that time, it get 20 cases them for America for year 1. Now, picking this way, it never even reached 40 years old. Okay. And now, make we go for the background. These 20 cases, then, I believe, say, this for these 20 cases, one of them, now the case for where they be arrested for the PPP fraud. And then, after that PPP fraud, it be tamper with evidence and it be intimidate witnesses them. That one, another case, 2 cases than that. And then it get another case for the Garri Master case, where they charge you for your role in sponsoring ambassador terrorism for Cameroon. Now a different case that. And then this case for rape and all of these other ones, now different case. And then this one. So maybe we'll go through this particular case we done this on the screen right now. My contribute them. So this one, the court system, now the district court for Montgomery County, and this case now criminal case. So case the be either civil or criminal. A civil case, now case where, for example, if some person owe you money, you take it, go report them for court. That one is civil lawsuit because wait till you want me to redress the situation and say you want make it pay you back your money. And if he pay you back your money, palaver finish. And even if he loses the case for court, they ain't not go prison because now civil litigation, now civil lawsuit. They could just fine you, they will give fine, say make you pay fine, and then the palaver finish like that. And if he force you for take the fine from your bank account, give you. So now the power that way the court get them. If he enter inside your bank account, remove money, give you for pay you back for that, fine where they fine you. That one is civil lawsuit. Criminal, now the one that way they go catch you, arrest you, lock you, and then send you for prison. That one for America too, they come and say felony, a bit different. So we now understand the difference. So this one and the location are for Rockville, and the case number that the title now the state of Maryland versus Eric Tataw. Now criminal case on the 14th of May 2025, and the case is still be open. And now the tracking number that for that case, the case now the tracking number that. So the defendant, when a person where they sue you for court, now Eric Tano, must zoom in a little bit more so that when I feel read them with me. I hope say when I feel read them perfectly now, I don't zoom in. It being a black person, a gender or sex now male, he height now 5'8", and he weigh 185, I believe, pounds, because now America they use now imperial. For America, they don't use the metric system like we. He get black hair, brown eye colors, and the born on the 14th of June 1986, and I addressed that for Woodfield, Gaithersburg, Maryland, and I zip code that, and the alias, they no put Garri Master for the one, na Eric Tataw. Ye plaintiff, na the state of Maryland, where it means that na the state of Maryland, it is sue Eric Tataw, and na the attorney or the lawyer for the state of Maryland that, and na the arresting officer that way he arrested, and he appear for court the preliminary hearing being on the 17th of June, where it is still calm. In 11 days time, it will appear for court for this particular case, my contributor. So the charge where they charging are charge number 1, disorderly house. And this one now a misdemeanor. Misdemeanor now still criminal case, but now a minor crime where you can still go for prison, but a maximum of up to 1 year. But most of the time they give you a fine or community service for this kind of misdemeanor. Okay. And they get a probable cause for arresting for that particular charge. So it get plenty legal issues then for America. Now, one human being, the blood of the people, the way it don't kill them on the ground inside Cameroon, it no go agree, make it get peace, my contribution. So I don't show now the evidence for which way I can't show now. When I see now Eric Tataw that, it cry because it get a lot of problems and for America, a lot of court cases then. And like I talked, it face up to 30-something years for the Garri Master case for prison. It face about 10 or 15 years for prison for the court case for the PPP fraud and the tampering with evidence and intimidating witnesses then for that other case. And then it face kind legal issues them. Someone them financial situations them. Someone them now criminal lawsuits them where it they under. So Eric Tataw go prison for a very, very long time. And remember, say Eric Tataw no get American residency. As far as the American system be concerned, it's still been a Cameroonian citizen. Where it means say for you now forever get American citizenship, it could be damn near impossible. And with President Donald Trump, where it there for power now, the way they do things countryman they like him because Donald Trump any just go after people the way they commit terrorist attack. Donald Trump they go after people the way they commit terrorist attack, their family members and the people the way they sympathize with the terrorist attacks them. So we'll just end the live broadcast for here. My contributor them. So make us see wait away when they talk for comment section. We get Field Marshal Arita Obenson Makia. If you look on the screen, when I go see, when I comment, Eric Tataw, they also look at when I comment in disbelief, of course. So now, Arita Obenson Makia, it talk to Mina Lifaka. So we'll get Sylvester JP. It's a make una like and share, guys. Thank you, cheerleader. We'll get Joshua Elize. It's a hello from Lagos. We'll get Ngoe Nathan. It talks a thank you, Igoe. So it talk again, say, may God bless you, my king. It said, tell us everything. Sunshine Amber Day for here. And Nathan, it talks to my king, thanks to you, the Northwest and Southwest are almost calm, that the Lord Jesus Christ watches over. Thank you to Cameroon Indivisible. You spell Cameroon wrong. Cameroon are OON. So Ambe Nkwele talk say, it be focused. It be so focused. Amba una doll. It repeat na lang me nesto. It prison now. Mina Lifika, I say make una share, una continue for share as una join. I thank una plenty.